Welcome to Hostrare cPanel series tutorial. Our today's topic is export table as .sql file from phpmyadmin. Go to your phpmyadmin, click on your database, select your database and select your table and click on export button. And quick method is easiest method, but if you want to use different format, but as I am showing you SQL, so .sql file will be here, and click on go and select the file save location. I'm saving it inside my F directory and the file name should be customers.sql. Just click on here, go there. This is the exported file. Here is the structure and here is the data. So you can import in any another MySQL database very easily using this file. Thank you very much. Bye bye.